welcome to another video. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing. So this unboxing is from Mary's Diamonds. I decided to treat myself for my birthday and buy some diamond paintings from non-budget friendly diamond painting sites. So yeah, this was what I decided to get from Mary's Diamonds. So this looks like the box did not get... It didn't get to me in one piece, but looks like it's bubble wrap, not bubble wrap, shrink wrapped. Also, in addition to the other one. So yeah, I bought this like at the end of May, and then I didn't get a shipping confirmation like for a while, and I was thinking, did I just miss the shipping confirmation? Or what? But then I think like about maybe a week and a half after I ordered, they did send a message saying that they decided not to ship out some of their new orders because they were getting better boxes. And well, I don't know. Did I get one of the old boxes? I did buy something that was on clearance, so it's obviously not like a really thick box, so maybe I still got one of the old boxes, but either way, I didn't get it. I didn't get the shipping confirmation until a little bit later, so this took a little longer, but after they sent the shipping confirmation, I got it like in 10 days, I think. So it did take them a while to ship because they were attempting to get better boxes, but the box doesn't matter to me unless you're planning to give it as a gift. Like, look, it's beautiful in this thing. Like, so it does look like they do have that, what do you call that soft velvet canvas. It still curls up, but it is on poured glue. So, okay, so, ooh, okay. They send you a lovely thank you note. I don't know. Is the thank you note old because it's Christmas? Maybe I'm guessing this is since this was okay. So since I never got anything from Mary's Diamonds before, I decided to go through their clearance section. So this was on their like sales section. So this was only $24.90, and the shipping was free. But from what I remember reading on their site, they don't ship to every country, and I think they only ship to 3 countries, and I think it was USA, Canada, and Australia. Don't quote me on that. I'm not 100% sure of that, but it also said they're working on getting more countries, shipping to more countries. So it does look like they have a big piece of wax. They give you 2 toolkits with the pink pen, some tweezers, the pink boat, and some baggies. Actually, it's a good amount of baggies. So yeah, I did get a square diamond painting, and it looks like they're in these individual packets, which I actually don't mind the individual packets as long as the diamonds that are in there are awesome quality. I don't care. I would take whatever packets you send me if that meant the drill quality was better. So yeah, you want to know what I got? I got this one. It's this cat. It was called Lucky Cat on their website. It was Lucky Cat by Max Grachev. That's maybe how you pronounce it. It was on their clearance, so I'm not sure how much longer this image will be available on their site, just because I figure if it's on their clearance or stock sale that maybe they are going to discontinue it. I have noticed that they have new collections popping up all the time, and I did like a couple of their images, and I do like that some of their images are actually, you know, not ginormous. So if I end up liking this, I will go back and buy more. But I figure first time trying something, get it from the clearance section, So yeah, it's this cat. It's like one of those Chinese cats that that do like the bobbing. I don't know if you've seen them, like you see them in like Chinese restaurants where you have this cat and then the arm is like doing this bobbing thing. I don't know. But yeah, it does look like their canvas is well branded with Mary's diamonds there. I wonder if they make a diamond painting with their logo. It actually looks really cute. And what is this? Okay, so they do like border their canvas with Mary's diamonds. And then what does this say? Bring the magic in your life. Okay, so Mary's diamonds, and then they just say bring the magic in your life all around. I do like it when the canvases are branded because then it's easy to figure out where you got it from, and then there's all their information there. I do wish it said the name of the artist on here, but yeah, no, it doesn't say the name of the artist. So here is the thumbnail. It should be this cat picture if it'll focus. And it looks like there's 22 colors, which, yeah, as long as it turns out, I don't mind just 22 colors. I'm hoping maybe since this is an old canvas, maybe their newer canvases might have, I'm guessing it's an old canvas just because it was on their clearance sale. So yeah, it does look like the symbols are a lot of symbols, but with only 22 colors, it shouldn't be that bad. This is a square diamond painting that I got. So the symbols, I think, look pretty clear. I don't think I have any problems reading any of this. Will I have a problem reading any of this? I don't think so. Yeah, I don't think I'll have a problem reading any of this. Yeah, I'm hoping that there's no gapping because they do print the black grid line. It doesn't look that thick of a grid line, so we'll see. I do have a lot of diamond paintings from AliExpress, so these little individual packets don't really scare me as much as some other people. But I did notice that the packets were kind of like different. So like, I mean, this one says 413 with the white strip, and then this one says 307 with no strip, and then this one is a red strip. So it does kind of make me question whether the drills are all going to be like similar sizes if it looks like they're getting it from many different manufacturers. But I won't judge that until I actually do the diamond painting. I mean, looking at it, they look pretty good. But like I said, I won't judge that until I do the diamond painting. Yeah, I don't see anything. I did notice on Mary's Diamonds website, they don't do ABs for their squares, but they do ABs for their rounds. Is there some black? Is there black in this? No, there's actually no 310 or 939. So it doesn't look like there's any black. But yeah, from what I could see, the drills look decent. I will do inventory off screen because you do not want to just see me go through the drills. But if they're all here, this will be the end of the video. But if there's any problems, I'll add it to the end of the video. But yeah, I'll do inventory off screen, and look out for the kitting up of this one. I actually have only one square kitted up. I actually have like, I think 8 diamond paintings kitted up right now. I only have one square diamond painting kitted up, so I do need another square. So I might kit this up just because I need another square kitted up. But yeah, here is this diamond painting from Mary's Diamonds. I am trying out a couple of the more, what I would say is the premier diamond painting companies that do license their artwork. My main problem with lots of them is their pictures are ginormous. So I do like it when I'm able to find things that are not ginormous. Like this is only a 40 by 40. Oh wait, did I measure this? Did I measure it? I don't recall anymore. But yeah, this is supposed to be a 40 by 40. And yep, it's 40. And that's 39 and a half. So missing a half centimeter down at the bottom, but maybe that was just what they needed for the dimensions of the picture. But yeah, I only have the one diamond painting of this one. So yeah, thank you for watching and happy diamond painting. Bye.